Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some gaming headset. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is Hawk's RGB gaming headset. You can buy it online within $30. Second one. This is a stereo PS4 gaming headset. You can buy it online within $30. Third one. This is Sound Pro gaming headset. You can buy it online within $20. Fourth one. This is a USB gaming PC for PC. You can buy it online within $24. Fifth one. This is Sensor Sound gaming headset. You can buy it online within $20. Sixth one. This is wireless gaming headset for PS5 and PS4. You can buy it online within $50. Seventh one. This is a Razer gaming headset. You can buy it online within $19. 81. This is wired multi-platform gaming headset. You can buy it online within $80. Last one. This is Navava pink color gaming headset. You can buy it online within $27.
Also, since it comes with a normal port, it can be perfect for all of your gaming things like Xbox and PS4. Since it comes with a microphone, perfect for FIFA or anything where you're communicating with other players along the line. So, for me, I like to use it with my computer because of all the online schools and meetings. So all you have to do is plug the USB port into where it goes, and see, it lights up and it shows a really cool array of lights. They kind of like flow through, as you can see here. And so this creates a really cool like gaming atmosphere, and like really gets you kind of like pumped and in tune for the game. And as you can see here, they fit perfectly over my ear. You can have the microphone like here, like you're ready to speak. You can move it down if it's in your way, or you can even move it up and out of the way if you're choosing not to use that feature at the time. And then as you see here, they have really nice and comfortable ear bands. So since they're a bit larger, they can fit over your ears very nicely. They can fit almost any size. And since it's super plush and comfortable, you can wear it with all of your earrings and everything, and you're not going to like get smushed, and it's not too tight that you're going to get headache. And then the way that these work is it's noise canceling both the headset and the microphone. So you're going to get perfect clear sound. It'll be really great to hear all the music or any like all the game like sound effects that like help you tune to your game. And also the microphone is noise canceling as well. So you're not going to get all the background noises if you're like in a meeting and you're trying to convey yourself clearly. So this is going to be perfect. And the headset also expands as you see here, so it can fit pretty much any size head or honestly any hairdo that you like as well. Thank you.
So, today we are looking for some gaming headset. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.